Hey guys, welcome to Sketch-A-Day. This is a recap segment from Friday, May 22nd, and I'm going to show you how to draw this mini version of myself. Thanks so much for the suggestions during the live, as always. But before we begin, I want you to hit that subscribe button, turn on alerts, because if you don't, you'll miss the live show and you'll miss when I upload videos. You can also find me on the Instagram at sketchaday.com. You can find me on Twitter at Daily Sketches, and I'm pretty easy to find on Facebook as well. Head on over to sketchaday.com. Why? Well, it's a great way to support what we're doing here. We've got a store with Procreate brushes and assets and more coming soon. We also have stickers and even a poster of sketches. So if you're interested, check it out. Let me know what you think, and I hope you find something good there. You can always donate using the PayPal link in the video frame or Venmo, whichever you prefer. Some of you have asked in the past, so I put that there to give you the opportunity to do so. Details are also included on the video description below. Well, thanks guys, and I hope you enjoy. Woo, fresh marker pad. Smells good too. Woo. All right. So I think I need to start with the head. I need to start with the hair. This is going to be a Black Ross Lego guy. All right, so there's our head. And now I need to sketch the body. So I'm gonna go like so. Like that. And then I think they go, I'm trying to remember. I know there's like a central piece here. And oh no, these are round. That's what it is. These are round. And then they come down like so. There's a little bit of a lip. This is all from memory, guys. So this is what I mean by drawing from observation so you can draw from your imagination. So I already did one like this, so I have a fairly good idea of how to kind of do a Lego figure. Black Ross should have a pen though. It shouldn't be a paintbrush. And this hand I'll have holding a sketchbook or marker or sorry, marker paper. Something like that. Quick sketches though, guys, quick sketches. All right, so there's our afro. And a little smile. All right, something like that. This is always nerve-wracking when you are just freeballing it while drawing. Meaning I'm not doing gray marker or pencil here, just trying to go. All right. Woo! So there's there's my Black Ross figure. Let's get him his marker paper pad. We'll add some color. Let's add some line weight just to kind of help clear things up, clean things up, if you will. So with line weight, I try to think in a 3-2-1 fashion. So 3 being the heaviest on the outside. 1 is going to be your general line, and then 2 is where you have overlaps. So I go a little bit lighter where there's an overlap. Again, just a general guideline, not a hard and fast rule, but it's what I try to do. Thanks for the idea, Roshan. This was fun. I've done Legos before on the stream. Oh, the beard. Okay, we want the beard. I forgot about that. There you go. There's your beard. Okay, I've got 3 minutes left, and then we'll do a little bit of a shout out segment. Sarah is asking, does an industrial designer give those cool sketches to clients, or do they have to do CAD or 3D model? It just depends on the client. I'm working with a guy right now doing some rims for him for a car, and it's a bit of both. I'm doing a little bit of sketch, but also a lot of CAD. So it just depends on the project, really. Using a neutral gray 7 for the majority of this here. I want to move fast. Alright, I'm always wearing black too, so I guess I'll do black. I'll do red pants. I do have a pair of red pants, so. I think this gray is finally running out. I have to get some more. Alright, this is obviously a paper made flare, because that's what I use. Alright, just want to add some body to the hair. Yes, not sponsored by Product Red. Actually, no, it has to be yellow, because I'm doing yellow on every sketch today. So I gotta wear yellow pants in this sketch, which will be interesting. Alright. So let's just finish off this textured plastic, undoubtedly, that is making up the hair. Yeah, it's got to be yellow pants. Because I'm not making my face yellow, I'll tell you what. That ain't happening. All right, yellow pants, let's go. So if you guys caught my video on how to light objects, you'll recognize this. But as I move down, I actually want to go lighter. Okay, we need that contrast. And then as I move up to this round section here, I hope this isn't too brown. So that contrast is just going to help the form read better. All right, just a reminder, if you guys enjoyed the show, I appreciate your support. Hit that subscribe button, turn on alerts. If you're interested in other ways to support, you can purchase any of these sketches from the stream. Just hit me up. We'll make it work. I know a few of you have in the past. Matt, Jordan, we had Brian from Instagram last time. So yeah, if you're interested, let me know. Or if you just want to donate, you just hit up that link, paypal.me/sketchaday. If not, it's all good. I appreciate you being here. Special shout out and thanks again to you Patreons. I'm not sure what to call you, but thank you. I'm just gonna put something random on the cover here. For speed's sake. Oh yeah, Roshan's contributed in the past. He's been pretty great. So thank you for the ideas and for all the support. Much appreciated. All right, let's get some white. Get this thing popping, and then we're good. I'm just using a Molotow. I think every time I say that word, I say it twice, but Molotow white pen is what I'm using right now. A little bit more contrast in some of the black on Mr. Ross here, Black Ross. Should I make miniature figures of myself, 3D print them, and give those to you guys? That'd be fun. I've really been enjoying 3D printing. If you guys want to see videos on how to do that, let me know as well. It's gonna be a fun summer. I'm gonna be making stuff, breaking stuff. Alright guys, so now is your time. If you want to shout something out, feel free to blast it in the chat. Keep it clean, keep it good. Just want to share the love and say thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. I know you all have things to do, lives to live, drinks to drink, food to eat, whatever. So, appreciate you being here. Roshan says he would buy one. Well, I don't want Lego to sue me, so maybe I'll come up with something different. How about that? You know, every time I post something quote unquote cool and someone's like, and everyone's like, yeah, I'll get one, then I make it and then it doesn't sell, I'm like, why did I even bother? But I know Roshan would get one. Because I believe Roshan. Roshan is the man. All right. He needed eyebrows. Okay, guys. That was super fun. Thank you. Thank you for the suggestion. Today's theme was yellow. Like I said, anything you want to say that is appropriate, go for it. But in the meantime, let's review. Roshan says, shut up and take my cash. Alright. So let's review. We just did a little Lego minifigure of me. Suggested by Roshan. And all of these will be uploaded as well, but if you do want to purchase one, let me know. Well, thanks for watching. Definitely hit subscribe, turn on alerts if you've made it this far. Much love, thank you, and appreciation. And I hope to catch you next time on one of our live streams. We go live on Wednesdays, usually around 4 or 5 Pacific. Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific. That one's a lock. And Sundays, somewhere between 12 and 2 Pacific. So keep your eyes open, turn on those alerts, and hit subscribe. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time right here on Sketchaday.